Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out your job is now done by a robot. Sounds like fiction or a movie, right? Well, it's not. Experts predict that by 2030, 375 million jobs could be automated. From cashiers to surgeons, nobody is safe. Today, we'll explore 10 robots changing industries, also replacing human workers soon. FLIPPY 2, the fast food chef. FLIPPY 2 by Robotics is already making burgers at big places like White Castle. This chef robot can work for hours on end without getting tired. And let's face it, humans are not perfect, but this robot could be. It could avoid making mistakes, and here's the best part. It costs less than a year's salary of a human employee. FLIPPY can do frying, grilling, and even plating, leaving us to wonder, are fast food jobs even going to last for us, mere humans? Vinci surgical system. The surgeon that never gets tired. This cutting-edge robot doesn't just help, it performs surgeries with greater precision than a human being. Already in use for over 1,000 operating rooms, Vinci is replacing human surgeons for tasks like prostate removal and heart valve repair. It begs the question, would you trust a robot over a human for your surgery? Starship Technologies delivery robots. With online shopping the new trend, Starship's small, autonomous delivery robots are being used at campuses and neighborhoods for package and even food delivery. These robots don't need money and no paychecks, thus making them an attractive option for companies. Look out, delivery guys. You might be in danger of extinction. Boston Dynamics Stretch. The warehouse workhorse. Stretch made for warehouses can move and also lift heavy packages without getting tired all day. With companies like Amazon and FedEx increasingly using robots in warehouses, Stretch might just replace human packers sooner than you think. Eve from Sanctuary AI, the ultimate generalist robot. Eve is made for a wide variety of human tasks, from machinery operation to working in environments such as retail. Unlike many fellow robots, Eve can be a multi-purpose worker, making it one of the most versatile robots on this list. Neuralink robots, the brain surgeons of the future. Elon Musk's Neuralink has introduced robots that implant brain chips with a precision that is mind-blowing. While still in its early trials, these robots could replace neurosurgeons for hard procedures. With advancements in AI and robotics, even the perfectly skilled medical industry isn't safe from automation. Spot, the inspection specialist. Say goodbye to human inspectors, because Spot is here, another creation from Boston Dynamics. This robot is widely used in industries like oil and gas, construction, and public safety. This four-legged robot dog can inspect dangerous environments, such as construction sites and offshore rigs, ensuring safety. It is hard to find humans ready to risk their lives. I mean, how many cases have we heard of people dying in construction sites? This robot could take at least half of these difficult jobs, leaving nothing for the humans brave enough to do them. Tesla Bot, your personal assistant. Imagine a world where you no longer need to vacuum, do dishes, or even arrange furniture. Elon Musk's Tesla Bot is made for household errands, basic chores, and much more. As it is ever evolving, people in household jobs are getting scared. If a robot can run errands and clean better, then maybe humans might not be left in this job anymore. Atlas, the gymnast construction worker. Made skillfully by Boston Dynamics, Atlas is no ordinary humanoid robot. We have all heard of Atlas by now, right? Well known for its agility, it can carry out construction tasks, like moving, lifting materials, and also navigating harsh environments. With its stamina and agility, Atlas could easily help human workers on construction sites. ChatGPT plus physical form dash the AI advisor. What happens when an AI like ChatGPT gets a physical body? Companies are now using advanced AI with humanoid robots, creating robots such as NAO that can guide and even teach. From boardrooms to classrooms, these hybrid AI robots could change roles in a blink. And what do you think? Are these robots helping humanity or taking away opportunities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the future of AI robots and technology.